The Regional Vice President for Smart Cities and the Internet of Things for Huawei. We believe that the Internet of Things is a fundamental enabler for smart cities in the future. What it allows us to do is to connect to more things, which allows us to understand what's happening in the environment around us and use that data for creating new and better services for the public and for us as an experience within the city.
What is your next move to have a tie-up or collaboration with the government, with the UAE government?
So within Huawei we have three major lines of business. One is the carrier business, the consumer business and the enterprise business. So what we're showcasing here today largely is around what we do with enterprise and carrier. And both of those are very fundamentally important for the smart city within the UAE and for governments here. On the one hand, operators, i.e. the DWTC and Tesla, are we believe are key to enabling a smarter city. They have a lot of the infrastructure already available, and we are in deep partnership with them in executing on a lot of those things. On the other hand, with the government, what we're showcasing today are a number of solutions which are readily available, as well as showing some of the future directions of technology. We think it's important to be able to, for us to be able to show, as a technology innovator and leader, to show the government what is possible in the future, as well as what can be achieved now, and to help them build their roadmap of development from now until the future.
What about Huawei's involvement with private sectors as well, like educational institutions and things like that?
Sure. So Huawei has a number of key vertical areas within the enterprise space, one of which is education, as well as transportation, safety and security, and government. Within the education space, in fact, I was recently speaking at a CIO summit for educators within the region, and what we're seeing there is how to apply technology within education. Education these days is not like when I was at school, where the teacher stood at the front and it was a one-way or at best a two-way communication. There's now a many-to-many communication, and that's how people want to learn. So the students of today are used to technology. They want to learn in a different way. They interact more with their other pupils and with what's available already on the internet. You'll see, many great YouTube videos, for example, on any subject we want to know about. So how do we incorporate all of that into providing a consistent and high-quality education for students? Now that's where companies like Huawei can provide the tools to do that. That includes everything from cloud computing to be able to deliver the same infrastructure into all schools at the same time, cloud computing through to unified communications, which allows us to do things like high definition video conferencing. So if there's expertise in one place, we can deliver that instantaneously into many places. And that's what I mean by many-to-many communication within education. And then on top of that, everything from how do we get the pupils into the school buses. So some of the technology displayed today here, and it's a significant issue for the government to address around education, is the security around school buses, the air quality, environmental concerns that might exist there when you're in a particularly hot country and humid country. Can we actually monitor that? Can we know where the buses are right now in real time and know what's going on in the bus? This allows us to provide a consistent quality of education, and this is where companies like Huawei, and Huawei is leading in many of these domains, provide that capability to the government.
Thank you.